everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Wednesday afternoon. We're here in SM Clark and we're going to meet our friend Marco. Let's go.
Hi everyone, yes, today we meet with our friend Mark from UK. He invite us to the in Nassau, chicken in Nassau. He said he never been in Nassau. He want to try Philippine foods. That's why we will meet with him in chicken in Nassau in the same city Clark. The same city Clark, yes, Shaira. And later also Georgi now sleep. Georgi later will come to the SM Clark and maybe we can drink coffee with him. Not cold for you, Shaira? Not?
Because I need more cold right now.
But why?
Because I drink last night.
You drink alcohol last
Yes.
night? No, explain where you been last night.
I've been in Shinma with my sister and we just drink cold tea.
Sister and who?
Nothing.
Only together with
Yes.
your sister you've
Yes.
been in the Shinma bar in Angeles City.
Yes.
Shinma bar, where location?
It's already near in Pagcor.
Near Diamond?
No, it's Proto Diamond, but it's already near Pagcor. The casino there.
Near Filipino Casino. Okay. So you like this bar? Why you go to this bar? For what? With your sister?
Sa akin relax.
Relax nighttime? Okay. Chicken in Nassau with left side. Nassau. Usually so many people in chicken in Nassau. That's why we need to wait. Marco already inside. Good afternoon. It's okay, I use camera, no problem.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
Okay.
It's okay.
Did you already order or not?
I came in the wrong entrance. He dropped me down here. So I had to
Number
go
54, 54.
So you want to choose? Or you already choose?
No, I didn't choose anything yet. Do they have a menu or something?
Menu only here.
All right, okay, let's have a look.
Number 66. What you order, Shaira?
Chicken.
Chicken. Chicken and Nassau chicken. Marco, you first time?
Same, yeah, same. I get the chicken also. I want to try it. I've never tried it before, so I've been assured it's very good. So let's see.
Okay, you can try. Many people today. Shaira, this is sour.
What's that? Tea?
This is gulaman.
Wait, I will take some
What you want to take?
pork.
Okay.
Well, this looks nice.
Chicken
Yes.
leg.
Yeah, it looks good. Get a picture of that.
This one is chicken oil. Chicken oil. This is soy sauce.
That's the oil. That's the
Yes,
soy
it's
sauce.
oil and soy sauce.
Okay.
This is cola.
Let's have a look.
This gulaman. And people clean hand. I will show.
Table number 69. 69, please. 69.
69. People clean hand
Table
because
number 78.
it's so noisy.
78.
So noisy.
78, please.
People clean hand here because most of Filipino eat hand, use hand, yes? What, how you want to use? Hand or not?
Spoon and fork.
Ah, okay.
You can sit there. I will take some pork on you.
Okay. Pepsi are also here.
76.
Calamansi.
Calamansi you put inside. Two-way soy sauce you put.
Yes.
Soy sauce. I saw one video, they saying, oh, it's a lemon. I said, no, it's a lime.
Yeah, yeah, lemon different.
The
Yeah.
lemon is
Lemon
the yellow. Big yellow, right?
It's light.
It's a lime, yeah.
Yeah.
That's right, yeah. This guy said, no, it's a lemon. I said, no, it's not.
And try first.
We sit here because it's more silent place. We drink coffee here. Coffee, cappuccino coffee is 160 peso, it's cold, and 140 peso, it's hot. Marca today, last day or not? You going to UK?
Nearly last day. Next Monday. back
Next
to
Monday you
Thailand.
go to Thailand.
Yes.
But what about foods?
Oh,
Do
it's
you
great.
like?
I love that Mang Inasal. I recommend it. It's Masarap. You
Masarap.
must go there. It's very tasty. Recommend it. And it's
Okay.
great meeting up with Leon and Shara.
Shaira. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Marco. See you
Yes.
in this year.
Yeah, maybe by the end of the year. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll let you know. I'll let you know when I'm back,
Yeah.
and we'll meet up again.
And we eat manginasal again.
Oh, we will. Until then, sayonara.
Sayonara.
Apo, ngayon sa Pampanga, pero marirelocate yung GAC namin sa may ano. Automatic na yung apat na salamin. Tapos screen mo doon sa pwede mo rin
Do you like this car? Small, good looking. I cannot see how much. Wait, I will check in the.
And then ito, ipo-fold ka rin dito. Fold na sa talong
How much Shaira this car?
Have 1 million and maximum it's 2 million.
From 1 to 2 million.
Yes. 2.6 maximum.
Ano to? Anong ano to?
In cinema, what the?
Professionalism mo for an affair. Think about you. Wala akong kagusto.
Georgi on the way already. Dragon. Startup market. А вот is this startup market. Why name startup market? Yes, startup market. Ah, wait. What is this? It's not look like
Cacao, medium cacao and
cacao.
peanut butter.
Like chocolate,
Yeah, hot chocolate.
hot chocolate. This is mixed with water,
Yeah, hot water.
with hot water mix.
Yeah.
Okay. It's good.
Thank you.
Shaira, take a look. This is cacao mixed with water. This one. Put in the water and you can drink hot.
I seem like Milo.
Ну, maybe. Интересно.
What is the same like
No, chocolate, hot chocolate. How much this one? Is
300 for bottle.
this is 300. This one. 99 peso is small. Where? Don't have?
This one, Gabon.
It's 99. It's only drink. Okay.
This one, the big one, is
Ah,
650.
650. 650 is big. What? It's already including
Yeah, one set.
one set. How much one set?
One for 50.
150.
Like
Okay.
this one. This is-
That's good. And also this one. Interesting.
you can try the what is
No,
this?
we can show to Georgi. Georgi will come back because he like maybe. Okay, thank you. Maybe with my friend I come back. I will ask him. Thank you. Flower also. So many flower.
Hi, sir. Welcome to Honey Garden.
Thank you. Good flower.
Yeah.
Good looking.
It's a real plant. Real flower.
uh-huh.
Or on indoor.
Money, what is this money?
Money tree. Money tree. Do you have money tree? Money tree.
Yeah, I have.
Can I see? Only small.
This is a bonsai money
Uh-huh,
tree.
uh-huh.
But more leaves to come.
How much this one?
This one is 500.
This is 500.
Then there have a 300
This is
for that.
300.
Then this one.
It's I like. Later, not now. We just walk. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Every day you work here.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Money tree I want to buy. We already seen Georgi. Hi, Georgi.
Spanish latte.
You want to try it?
Remember Ali asked about Spanish latte.
Where?
Yes, I want to try it.
Where? Spanish latte. Show me, Georgi.
Spanish latte.
Spanish latte, 99 large.
Yes, I want to try it.
Okay, we can try also. You want, Shaira? Do you want?
Spanish latte?
Uh-huh.
I tried already before.
You already try. What you want to try?
That's okay, it's good also.
Americano? Classic?
I don't want
What you want?
this one, latte also.
Spanish latte also you want? Okay.
No, they have also cookies here.
And what you want?
cookies.
Cookies.
Ano po yun, ma'am? Na tatlong solvent?
Okay.
Gagawin ko lang po.
Okay, cookies is good.
Mas kasi siya, ma'am eh. Mabilis lang naman to, ma'am.
Shaira already have coffee. Coffee, you can try. Spanish coffee, Spanish latte. Oh, Spanish latte, yes. And cookies. Shaira.
I don't like cookies.
Ah, you don't like cookies? Can you open? I will show to subscribers.
It's already open.
Cut. Oatmeal?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal cookies. How much?
40 pesos.
40 peso. I remember I was in Russia for 40 peso, about 40 peso 1 kilogram. But here it's one only. But good. We already tried before. It's very good. Okay, you can drink. Guys, we now in Decathlon. Shaira want to buy take a look swimming suit for go to Thailand because she don't have or she have but she want to buy new. Georgi want what he want? Flashlight. It's for a flashlight. Flashlight. Shaira want to check. Water sports. Ага, вот for woman Shaira. Yeah. Shaira is also off. You can check.
If it's short, I don't like this one.
No, I don't know. Up to you what you want. So don't have your size, Shaira.
Yes. And also expensive.
Expensive.
Better find in TikTok or in Lazada.
TikTok. So you how to buy in TikTok?
Have also there.
Really?
Yes. Have you can see in Walkie Street so many dress there.
Uh-huh.
So they buy in TikTok for lowest price and then they sell it here to
Buy and
highest.
sell in Walking Street.
Mhm.
Okay.
More higher.
Okay. So let's go inside. Oh, good looking. Prepare for Chinese New Year.
More good looking.
Seafood mix.
This one.
Soup also have.
Pang ilang tao yung 680? Pang ilang tao? Yung 680 na seafood mix.
How many persons? It's
Good for 2 to 3 person.
three person. Okay. Shaira hungry. Shaira hungry. Again Japanese restaurant. What you order, Shaira?
Order rice.
Curry again. Shaira eat in Inasal chicken. After 1 hour you want again eat. Okay, you can sit. And Georgi, what you order? Teriyaki. Chicken teriyaki. Georgi order chicken teriyaki. First time, Georgi? Okay, you can say good or not. You try. So you like?
Yes.
I always saw the chicken teriyaki. It's good. And Shaira like curry. What you tried before?
This one.
So spicy.
Yes.
And you want more?
Why not?
But what is?
Wasabi.
What?
Wasabi.
Ah, wasabi. So spicy. But you like spicy, I know.
It's more spicy.
Very spicy.
Very. Georgi, you need water maybe. Okay, are you okay? Shaira, you also try.
I tried already before. You remember I have relatives from Japan, right?
Uh-huh.
They always give us a biscuits wasabi.
Okay.
Same this. So what is spicy?